Good morning, everybody. John here from JLS Locksmith. Just wanted to introduce myself and show you my beautiful face. It's Sunday morning. I've been quiet on YouTube for a little bit, but haven't stopped the work, haven't stopped the recording. This is what this is. I'm going to just do a mashup of the week because the editing does take a while. So I'm just going to probably release them on a Sunday, take inspiration from my other locksmiths on the YouTube. Yeah, hope you enjoy. It's about 20 minutes long, this one, but yeah, I'll keep them coming. If you watch them, I'll make them. Thank you very much, guys.
Yeah, so just need to change this. Yeah, that's the night latch off. You can see it's all bent up. It needs to be changed. And that's the lock, isn't it? Light latch off as well. New back piece on. Door lock. And change this now. And that's the rollerboard attached. Locking. Is intermittently locking and not unlocking. I've just witnessed it. I went to struggle to get the door back open again, so I'm just going to change it out. It's the old one out, so I'm sticking the new one out. Alright, just going to take the key out so I can print. That's the new lock in. Just locked it, so it's locked. Now I'm just going to try and key out. Key in. That's it, unlocked. Locked, unlocked. Unlocked. Let's try the front door. Yeah. Now the upstairs. Old lock off, handles on. Just need to cut and trim down the bolt now to lock the new lock fitted. Locked. Unlocked. Door locked. Turn the handle. Door open. The door's just being propped open. We'll get it adjusted and get it working again. There is no lock, actual physical lock on this door. It's all done by the mag. So it probably just needs adjustments and then it'll be working again. So I'll get it done. The door is now locking, now secure. Just need some minor adjustments. But it's now working. Now closed. Opening. Closed. A rifle and a heavy bomb. It's working. And snaps. So I've just got to adjust it. So the door is now being fully adjusted. No more slamming. Okay. Key goes in, but then gets stuck. So I'll just whip it out and see what the problem is. So the issue seems to be when it's in the door, because when it's out, it's turning. So this case has come apart, so I'll just give it a quick service, put it back in and see how. Just going to move the keep over a little bit because it's sitting right on it. I'm just going to move it over a smidgen. Okay. All done. New screws put in, service repaired. Well done, completed. Yeah, so it's stuck. It comes down, but then you do it a few times and it will get stuck. I'm just going to change it out. It's the new night latch to keep fitted. All working fine. No issues. Perfect. All done. So the bottom lock was on. This is how they was keeping it locked by this bottom one. This has got no lock. There is a lock but no key. And this top one. And then the door opens. So I'm just going to whip out the lock, change it over, and then move on to the next job. Door locked. Door unlocked. And that's finished. So, new full mechanism needed. Or the hours team has hammered the hooks, the bolt, and the bottom hook in, which has now left the door able to open and close, unable to lock the door or unlock the door. So the full mechanism needed. Just going to put in a temporary one for today because I need to order. Because I've got any stock left. So I've taken it out the door. So as you can see, the whole mechanism where they've hammered this in, hammered that back in, and hammered the bottom in instead of repairing the gearbox. They've now, the hours team has now broken it. So a full mechanism is needed. I'm going to put in a temporary overnight lock and then return Monday, Tuesday to install a full mechanism. So temporary lock is fitted. Locked. Door closes, opens, now just locking is fine, take the key out. Now a new error fault is raised where you have to turn the key 180 to take it out, but it also retracts the bolt. So I'm going to take it out again, see if I can't figure out what's going on. If not, it might be a new mechanism needed. So this is everything back on now. Just going to lock the door up. That's the door locked. All locked. Door open and the key out. So that's the door locked. That's the door unlocked. So the bottom one he's doing, and the top one needs redoing. It's not closing because it's all bent out of shape now. So I'm just going to undo them and put the new ones on. That's the old ones off. The door's off now. Just going to put the new ones on and we're done. What people got to do now is stop slamming it. Leaving it open and it'll be alright. That's the top one slipped. Just got to undo the bottom one now because the front end with the EJ's new Mark IV. Got it open in absolutely zero time at all. Cut down key to turn, pick up the cam and turn it. Get that changed, get that changed. It really stinks of cigarettes in here. So I'm just going to undo this one now. Maybe not. Where is it? Let's try that again. Oh, doesn't want to come out. It's one. Top one. Bottom one. Bottom one locked. Opening just fine. Keys will be put into the lockout as requested. Key safe open. So we're here today to sort the lockout and handles out, I think. Not 100% sure, but locked for definite. So they're saying the issues with the handles, yeah. So changing. Doors. Lock it fine, but it's intermittent, so I'm here to change the lock. The handles need changing and the lock needs changing. So I'm going to be changing the handles and the thumb turn. So that's the handles off, they need changing. They've got screws missing, the inside bits are missing. I'm now just going to take the mechanism out, give it a service, put it back in. I will be putting a quote variation in for door handle. There we go. Got the point lock out. Holes made bigger. Fits fine. Just give it a good old quick spray and a service. Seems to be working okay now. I'll put it all back to the mech back in. All done. Handles on, just got to cut them down now. New handles, new lock. Locked. Find that on the inside. Locked. There we go, all done. So we're here today for a lock change and key safe. Pretty straightforward. One lock and then install the key safe.
Can you stop that a minute, come and hold the phone?
Sorry?
Can you stop that for a minute, come and hold this phone?
Okay.
Hold it there. Can you stop moving? And that's the door open. Just now just got to undo this to take the lock out. And then take the screw all the way out. There we go, that's that out. And then put that one in. This is the second lock going in. Might have to loosen there. Oh, no, there we go. That's that in. And then put the screw in. One down, one to go. Okay. This might be on its way out. All done. Upstairs door, next door number 2. to screw. Tickly under there. And that off. Now we change over to a flathead from a buzzy because of the back screws. So we'll change that over. Yeah, I just noticed there's a back door as well, so I might ask if they want that changed. One out. I'll just got to put them on. There you go. That's in. Might have to trim the back off a bit, but I've got my scissors. Oh, I ain't got my scissors. I have to get the scissors. Round it up a little bit. Now let's get the screwdriver on it. So let's tighten up one. Now tighten up the other one. That's nice and straight. Going through it, just got to cut a bit off the end now and get it all back together. Front door, bottom door done. I'm going to put the keys in the key safe.
And the door's closed, there's a lot of bounce. And they're saying it's failing. So we just lock out. Screw release. Stick another screw in there, sort it out. It's the new locking. It's been tightened up. That bit off. Let's chop down a bit. Get this on. And they're not fitted. Just got to bring the key in a little bit now. Just a bit bounce on the door. The door is now closing, but when you pull on it, it opens. So I think the night latch needs changing as well. Yeah. The door is better secure now. It's the best you're going to get it with the bottom locking as well. That's all done. There we go. No bounce at all now. It was a bit stiff though. So we're here today to change the lock on a key safe. When we got reported, it's got the key locked inside. So it might be that one, could be that one. So look, the key's inside. No. There. Key trapped inside, so it's got to be that one there. So let's have a look for the screwdriver. Let's see if we can open it. There we go. It's going to be a simple fix. Take that off. Take that off. And we should be good to go. Really wasn't much to it. It's literally just unscrewed. Right, yeah, let's get the new one up. One key's already been given to the tenant, but unlocked. Just got to tighten the back up. I've used a new cam lock, but repurposed the old hook because it's a lot easier than my ones, because my ones are like 4 foot long. So I've just got to tighten it up and it's done. They all seem to be loose. So that's that. Done.